This video provides an overview of a computer network, its key components, and their security importance. Understanding network components and their security relevance helps identify suspicious activities quickly. User workstations like employee PCs and laptops are common entry points for attackers through phishing emails or malware. File and database servers hold valuable data, making them frequent targets for ransomware and data exfiltration attacks. Application servers offer essential services like websites, email, and VPN, and attackers often target them with vulnerability scans and exploits. Active Directory and authentication servers form the identity backbone and are key targets for attackers attempting privilege escalation. Routers and switches enable communication inside and outside the network and must be monitored to prevent traffic interception. Firewalls act as primary gateways controlling network traffic and blocking unauthorized access attempts. Effective network security depends on knowing each component's role and continuously monitoring for suspicious activity.